The attorney on either side, you're going to use those court documents or the testimony, if in fact they were in the courtroom in that federal courthouse, to project into family court. So, it's going to be fireworks.
Big story at 5:30. New details into the death of 18-year-old Anna Kepner. New documents reveal a feud between the Kepner family and the suspect's family, who is Anna's stepbrother. And this has now become a war of words playing out on social media.
The Kepner family is accused of posting things online about the suspect like they want the stepbrother buried with nails in the coffin. Fox 35's Esther Bowers joining us live tonight in Vieira. So, Esther, the court documents also say that the stepbrother has now been officially charged.
Luann, they do, and they also say he could be facing multiple charges. Now, this is one of the most bizarre cases we've ever covered. Not only is the family sharing details on social media, but we still have no official charging documents from the investigators. But we continue to learn new details from right here in family court. A war of words playing out not in a courtroom, but on social media. According to this new filing, Anna's family is allegedly saying they want her stepbrother, the suspect in her death, buried with nails in the coffin. Those online comments now fueling a custody battle and this emergency motion. The suspect's father writes his other child shouldn't be living in the home that's abandoned her brother. The respondent and Chris Kepner expelled TH from their household, and neither has seen TH since then. Since a family vacation allegedly turned into a horror on the high seas when a Titusville cheerleader was found dead on a cruise ship. Anna allegedly died by asphyxiation on a Carnival cruise in November with her family. She was sharing a room with her 16-year-old stepbrother, who's been the sole suspect in her death. Now these court documents confirm he was charged by the United States Attorney in the Southern District of Florida for homicide of Anna Kepner. And at least one charge is still hidden from the public.
The reason to redact this is because somehow this allegation is more serious or salacious than murder.
But if we have charges filed, why have they not done this big media briefing, updated the public, said we are committed to finding justice for this, tragic homicide? Why do you think they are still waiting now?
Quite simply put, I think there are going to be additional charges, perhaps some type of sex charges that we may see in the future on this case.
The FBI has not publicly confirmed any charges in the case, but the suspect did go to court in Miami earlier this month, and more details could come out from there at this next family hearing.
If you're the attorney on either side, you're going to use those court documents or the testimony, if in fact they were in the courtroom in that federal courthouse, to project into family court. So, it's going to be fireworks.
Now, it reads, Thomas continues to love and support all three of his children in the best possible way that he can. As any parent would understand, there is an immeasurable amount of grief and anger by the Kepner family. Support all three of his children in the best possible way that he can. As any parent would understand, there is an immeasurable amount of grief and anger by the Kepner family over the tragic death of Anna. Thomas is trying to protect and support all of his children during these incredibly complicated and tragic set of circumstances. And no official date yet has been set for this next hearing, but we're told it could happen in May. Reporting live in Vieira, Esther Bauer, Fox 30.